Got a new pickup in today from, so in the Facebook group I bought some Supreme tees for retail. Bought a couple, so it's like a bulk buy. Just like I think 4 tees, but right, let's take a look. Got all the tees that I bought. Very nice packaging. Alright. So here's the tees that I bought, all for retail. This is a Ramalzi tee, size medium. I have this already. This is the pink colorway, light pink. During this collaboration, not a lot of people was feeling this collab. So here is the tee. Second one is the TNF One World tee. I have the white one, and this will be the black one to add to the collection. Retail, all for retail. This is the Daniel Johnston, the Kill 'Em All, light pink as well, medium. I think this collab was really nice. People just slept on this collab, but pink. And then I picked up the Motion logo retail as well, because I picked up all those for retail. So he sold this for me for retail. This is a size medium, red Motion logo. So yeah, I couldn't hit because freaking bots, man. Bots was eating. So yeah, I got the Motion logo. It's in white, the letters. Yeah, Motion logo tee in a medium. So yeah, this is the pickups. Some quick, light. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think. Subscribe. See you guys in my next video. I'm out. Peace.